There is a great deal of variability in the way that people see risks throughout their organisations. And what this means is that people at the most senior level and board members often do not have a deep enough understanding of the risks their organisation is facing. There is a very common view that safety is absolutely critical to organisational activities. However, there is also a lot of acceptance that risks are involved, and sometimes people are imposing these ideas on other people. They're creating risky environments for other people to work in. So we need to think about what is normalized in the risk environment. We also need to consider, how do we problematize risks, which is ask questions about risks. Is this too much? Enough? Are people comfortable? Are they uncomfortable? If you raise a concern, can I respond to that concern? So we are trying to balance the normalization of risks and the problematization of risks. What my research does is help people to understand their organizations in terms of risks. And what this gives them is a new way to see the ways that people interact, the ways they structure their organizations, and the ways that they make critical decisions about strategic choices. What we have found is that what we need to do is create an understanding about the risks that will be involved, so that people have shared knowledge and they are informed about what they are doing. And we also need to create an environment where people can speak and be heard. And what we found there is that what benefits the organizations is creating not just an acceptance that sometimes there are hazards involved in the work and they are risks. However, we also need an environment that creates possibilities for people to speak up at any stage and say, I am not safe. And for senior people to be willing to make changes to that environment, to take account of people's ideas as well as their concerns.